Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired June 1st, 2026. The topic of that episode was Spiritual Life Isn't Fair. Swami, your insights.
Beyond the mental material veil of finite good and fairness is the miracle, awaiting the realization of the principle that eliminates death by revealing the one perfect eternal life.
Looking to improve your judgment? Listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga realization. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamidam